First order.
The first order, excellent.
We're not authorized to pick up the cargo.
Picking up the cargo, good.
They've accused us of stealing.
Well, see, now you're breaking up. I cannot hear you.
Hondo, don't you dare!
I don't. Oh, unfortunate technical difficulty. Boring conversation anyway. Aha! Another group of flight candidates. Welcome, my friends. Welcome. What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. And it's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Ohnaka, and this is Ohnaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Unload for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine friend. Yes. As we agreed, you let us use the ship. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The first order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Flight engineer, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. Good job, engineer. Right pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left, move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back on the stick to fly out and push forward to fly out. Oh, watch it. It's flying this thing in the air. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that quad down. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. There's the train. Come, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us! Take evasive action! There it is! After that train! Flight engineers, fire the harpoon! Excellent! Now gunners, shoot the cargo free! Left pilot, brakes! Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Now power up the ship. Well, I cram the go axiom. You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has what they need, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Get behind the train. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Pilots, into the center. Gunners, shoot the train. That cargo is breaking. Keep shooting. No, I thought you had it. Gunship. Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! It's coming down! Left pilot, hit the boosters! Boost! 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 We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get up! Great job, my friend. You retrieved one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut, minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon, is... Oh, that is rough. Whoa! Looks like we're ready to unload.